In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get real followers on Instagram with this simple 5-minute daily routine. Making money on Instagram is real. All those guys or girls with millions of followers are indeed getting paid. Mostly because when you have a lot of followers, brands will come up to you and ask you to promote their products in one way or another. Once you reach enough followers, you can have a very good living just from this platform without basically doing much, with just a post here and there and a promotion here and there. Who wouldn't love that kind of life? A lot of people are doing this anyway just for fun. So whatever you want to make a living from your Instagram followers or you want to be more popular, this simple 5 minutes daily routine will guarantee you a constant increase in followers. Alright, now let's see what this is all about. Firstly, if you wanna keep your newsfeed with just your preferences, maybe family and friends, then you'll need to make another account. If you, however, don't care about this stuff, just go ahead and get into it. But a new account is the best idea, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because the first step is picking a niche, a certain subject to say so. It should be something that you're at least a little bit interested about. Let's say you like fitness. Maybe you're not a gym freak, but you like the idea. You don't need to go to the gym or anything. This is why a new account is the best idea, because your account name will then point towards your niche, and people will know what it is about before they even visit it. This will give you a great advantage in this process. All you need to do, however, is stay within your chosen niche, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a minute. Alright, so let's say you chose the fitness niche, and now you need to go on the search bar and search for fitness. Pick the most followed accounts in this niche and follow them. See what kind of posts they are making. You should focus more on the posts that give the viewer a certain value. In this niche, that can be certain training tips, diet tips, inspirational quotes from people who got really far in fitness, and so on. Now you need to go on your account and do some similar posts. Don't just copy them, but make them in your own way. And keep in mind that your posts must have some value to offer to the viewer. That will trigger a response, and that's exactly what we need. Take a good look on the hashtags those popular accounts are using for this niche and use them too. This is a must. Make sure you have at least 10 posts in this niche before going to the next step. After you have at least 10 posts, your account already looks like a dedicated account to this niche. And if your account name is new and you only have these kind of posts on it and also a fitness related account name, then you are already ready to take an unfair advantage over the next step, which is going to be your 5 minutes daily routine. You have to go on those popular accounts that you just followed and engage in their most recent posts. Like them and leave a comment. Not just some emotes, but make it something that people will want to engage with, like an inspiration comment for the other readers. This will make people like your comment and view your account, where they will engage with your own posts and follow you. This is a secret trick on how you grow on Instagram with real followers, because the followers you will get are actually interested in your niche. Make sure to like the others' comments and follow them as much as possible. Instagram will not allow you to do this too much, but it's enough to do it daily for a few minutes until the platform stops you from liking and following other people for that day. I can guarantee you this safe method works 100%. All you need is consistency. As your account grows, your posts will also reach more and more people, which will make it grow even faster. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ways of making money online.